yeah, you can see it's mounted now. It wasn't long ago I repotted it, and I bought it from Currlin Orchids in Germany, and it came bare rooted, and it wasn't much on the internet to read about it, so I couldn't do that much of a research, but you should keep the roots airy and have an airy media. So I thought, all right, a net pot with large holes in it, with plain medium-sized bark and charcoal. How could I go wrong? It's an airy media, and I only sprayed it a couple of times from above. Yeah, no fertilizer, nothing. But the roots came out here on the bottom, and they were all soggy and dead. So I had to do something about it. So as you can see, as I told you, I mounted her. And that you can see the roots here, the root tips coming out, some new roots. And it's still got some functioning roots here, the short ones. So, well, I have to spray this one, but I don't think it needs that much water. It doesn't really like it, so I don't know what this one is living on out of. It's a strange plant, but we shall follow her and see. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will keep you updated on my rescue plant, Barkeria Kathy. Until then, have a good day. See you soon. Bye bye.